Good morning, Internet. Good morning, subscribers, viewers, whatever you are. Welcome again to my YouTube channel. I am Kinara Pete. Wake up to a rainy day here this morning. It's Friday, end of the week. It's early morning, about 7 a.m. in the morning. But it's raining, folks. So we're gonna take it steady. Rain doesn't harm, so long as you go slow and careful. Another beautiful day here, Friday, subscribers, whenever you're watching this video from. Please continue subscribing. We are at 123 subscribers right now, but we need to be at 1,000. So if you do your maths there, you see we got quite a number to go. But I know viewers can make it happen. Subscribers can make it happen. And I'm not worried about it. At some point we'll get there. When we get there. Nevertheless, subscribe, comments, positive comments, and share this video to the very end. Friday morning here, a journey downtown Baltimore. Rainy journey to downtown Baltimore. This is in the state of Maryland. Where I'm shooting this video from. And it is my prayer that wherever you are, folks, your week ended well, or just about to end well, and start a weekend rest with plenty of activities lined up. Hopefully the weather is permitting. I haven't checked the weather to confirm what we are really looking at, but it's my hope that should be favorable for small activities and outdoor to happen. Lights are out here, as you can see the flickering. These two lights is a sign that the traffic lights are not working here. A clear sign that there could have been power outage issues over here. To warrant the malfunctioning of traffic lights. going to be very challenging for pedestrians and motorists both to cross there. But we are hoping that the lighting company will probably be around soon to fix it before we have an incident there, because people are gonna try to outsmart each other in getting in and out or turning over there. This is 83 South, Fox. 83 South. A rainy morning here. A lot of water on the ground. Gonna have to be careful here how we navigate. You can see even the visibility is not 100%. Requires a little more attention. So therefore, wishing everybody out there a nice drive, especially around these areas of the east coast of the United States, particularly the state of Maryland. A mess. Yeah, everybody for his own, God for us all. A fight for survival. This is what it's looking like, folks. And difficult terrain to navigate. Requiring a little bit of caution here. Folks, welcome again to my YouTube channel. Friends and subscribers, online viewers, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Take me to 1,000 subscribers, folks. Take me to 1,000 subscribers. Right now we are only 120 people. 23. But we can do more, folks. So therefore, I leave this assignment to my subscribers, my viewers, and internet community to decide this fate. In the meantime, if you like our content, subscribe, give us a thumbs up, and watch to the very end. Tell us what we can do different. In a move aimed at improving the YouTube channel. And that way we all be part of this strong, indomitable team. Thankful to the already subscribed community, friends, internet, online viewers. I'm grateful. Continue believing that you will encourage many more to subscribe. Rain here, folks. Bear with us. We just bring it to you the way it is, folks. it is. It's how we bring it to you. It's I'm reaching downtown now, Baltimore City, state of Maryland. Approaching downtown. In the background, even though it's looking increasingly muggy, but it is what it is, folks. That's what we got out of it. A situation that is unprecedented. Folks, wherever you are, in the comment section, let us know the weather conditions and what you are dealing with, folks. For me, I prefer rain 100 times over snow. Snow is unpredictable and dangerous. So, the background, the city is in the background, making an approach towards the city. City, folks, and the end of the freeway ends, the expressway ends here. Now we are officially in downtown Baltimore, the state of Maryland. You can see in the background how foggy it is from the rain this morning. Still very early, it's about 7:30 this morning AM, but it looks like maybe 8 p.m. in the evening or 7 p.m. Downtown Baltimore, here we come. The gifts of rain from God. Early morning. A sign of a sigh of relief from the bitter cold days. Good thing it doesn't feel very cold out there today. More clearer pictures start to emerge of the rain. But this is very good, so that this rain is going to help us clean up all the snow that has been lying on the ground for the past 2.5 weeks, 3 weeks. It's going to clean it up all. I hope it rains the whole day today just to clear up all this mess that is lined up along the sidelines of the road. And leave the city clean one more time. This is Azumi restaurant and the Atlas restaurant on the left hand side here. Across the street to the right is the Marriott Hotel. 5-star hotel right there. Hotel overlooking the Atlantic Ocean. When you're on the top floor, you could see ship coming in the inner harbor. Beautiful, beautiful panoramic views that you barely see on ordinary days. Most of what you see those piles of snow still stubbornly sticking out by the sidelines of the road are going to be cleaned up today by this rain. It is my hope that by the end of the day tomorrow, we'll be looking at a clear road, clean, and no more white elements of snow on the ground. You're tired of looking at this snow every day. for the past 3 weeks. A situation that has gravitated towards most people. Look at this snow here. This is what I'm talking about. Look how much piles and piles is down there. Folks, with that in mind, we come to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed all the way, and you will continue subscribing to my YouTube channel. I am Kinara P, and enjoy the videos that we put out there. Look how much piles and piles of snow still lie on the sidelines of the road across the street. The rain is probably gonna take care of this today, and whatever is left, if tomorrow situation improves and the temperatures are a little bit high, then I think we can have a situation whereby the city is back to normal.